Having trouble updating your birthday on Roblox? If you can't change your birth date, the option is unavailable or your birthday update isn't being saved. In this video I will show you how to fix update birthday on Roblox. The first thing you have to do is to go to Roblox app. Then here in this page of Roblox you will find this sign on of profile. Then you will enter to settings, so you will tap on your settings. After that you will go to account information, and here in this page of account information you will find this list, so you will tap on birthday, so you click here and then you can tap in this pen to change and to fix your birthday. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.